This is Sayali Modak. Today we are going to see all about pranayama. What is pranayama? What are pranayama? Different types of it. How we can do such pranayams and what to do and what not to do. In pranayama, today we are going to see Brahmamari. We are going to see Kapalbhati and also a very basic method in which you will inhale in counts and exhale in counts. All this pranayama will surely help you to increase your lung capacity. This will help you to control your diabetes levels. This will remove your stress, boost your immunity and make you feel free. So let's have a look on it. So firstly, we will start with basic breathing techniques. We have to inhale in 4 counts and exhale in 8 counts. This you can also do in inhaling in 2 counts and exhaling in 4 counts. Also, inhale in 3 or exhale in 8 counts. I will give you the counts you can do with me in the same video. Watch my video and practice with this pranayams. Now, for doing pranayam, firstly you have to be empty stomach. You will not do pranayams by taking your food or after your meal. You have to be empty stomach, otherwise it will harm you. This pranayam now it is very basic. Sit straight in any sitting posture, Padmasana or Sukhasana. Hands will be in Dhyan Mudra or you will cup your knees like this. Dhyan Mudra is like this. Keep it on your knees very lightly, gently. Your back is straight. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out, relax yourself. Gently you will close your eyes and I will start with the counts. Before doing this, you have to take 2 deep breath in and deep breath out. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Relax yourself. Now we will start with the counts. Inhaling in 4, exhaling in 8 counts. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Normal breathing. Again, some more tips about this. In this pranayam, you have to be very patient. You have to inhale very softly and slowly in a rhythmatic way, and in same way you will exhale very slowly. You will not do inhale. When I say inhale, no, you will slowly inhale completely, fill all the oxygen inside and slowly you will exhale till the count is getting over. Or else if in between you are leaving the breath, that is completely okay. Leave the breath. Start with the normal breathing process and again with the count you can continue the breathing. Again, hands will be in Dhyan Mudra. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Start. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Normal breathing over here. Just relax yourself. From here we will start with Brahmamari. In Brahmamari you just have to sit straight. Again, hands will be in Dhyan Mudra. Brahmamari is done in 2 ways. If you are able to, you can close your ears, your eyes, and you can keep your 2 fingers, ring finger and the small here, and close your eyes and close your ears, and then you can start the Brahmamari. Otherwise, for the beginners, you can just chant Brahmamari. Okay, so let's start with it. You have to inhale. There will be little gap between your lips, your teeth and your your tongue will not touch your teeth. You have to take a humming bee sound from your throat, not from your nose. Remember that. Inhale. Gently relax. Brahmamari vibrations go all over your body. This is very helpful for people or women with PCOS, PCOD and fertility problems. So they can do this exercise to get over it. Now we will move to Kapalbhati. Many of you must be knowing this. You have to take a deep breath and you have to forcefully keep exhaling and make movement of your stomach in and out. You have to just inhale. In one stroke, you have to just exhale, 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 exhale. You will not again inhale. That process takes place automatically. So we will start with it. Inhale. Keep exhaling forcefully. You can do this in 3 rounds, not more than 3 rounds. People with constipation will avoid doing Kapalbhati as it creates heat in the body and you will have more problems in constipation. So try to avoid this thing. All these pranayams are very helpful and everyone can do it very easily. So keep doing pranayam, stay healthy, keep your lungs healthy. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos and watch this video. Share with your friends and family. Thank you.